Hello everyone, Song Filipina here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, this is my outfit today. Pink and then this slide, how do you call this? Slide flats or sandal. Okay, I'm gonna take this off and then I have to put lotion on my feet because it looks dry, so I'll be right back. I'm going to just chillax. That's my day today. And I have here Milo. So you know Milo? It's kind of chocolate. It is like a chocolate milk. Huh? Chocolate milk. Choco. Yeah, choco milk. Well, I'm going to have a snacks and I will also proceed to the changing the toenail polish. So first I'm gonna put this gel polish remover. I like this one because it's very safe to my nails. And it's also quick. So now is the French pink toenail polish. I'm gonna do the French pink color. Right? I'm right? So I didn't go to salon because the road is so bad here in my place for the road widening. So they widened the road and there's so much construction in the area for road repair, so that's why I'm just gonna manage it my own here. So I have here yummy. I have a very big papaya. I'm gonna show you later. I am wearing pink, so I'm gonna wear this pink too. Pink flip-flops, not pink too. I'm gonna wear this pink. I love this one, so I try to look if I can find other color, but I only see one color of this. Okay, and then this. This like this. So I will finish my snacks first. And again, I will do online shopping. I'm gonna shop more flip-flops. So, okay, done with my shopping, and then I will stop the video and I will continue with my toenail polish. Love you all, everyone. Bye-bye.